Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to build print-on-demand website from scratch in 2026, step by step, even if you've never built a website before, right? This guide is perfect if you want to start an online business with low risk, you don't want to hold inventory, you're confused about platforms, suppliers, and setup, or you want full control instead of relying only on a marketplace or on marketplaces. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to build, connect, and launch a print-on-demand website the right way. So let's get started. So let's understand what a print-on-demand website is. Let's clarify the concept. A print-on-demand website is an online store where you design products. Products are printed only after an order is placed. A supplier handles production and shipping. You don't buy inventory upfront, store product, or ship anything yourself. Your website acts as the front store while the supplier works behind the scenes. Okay? Why build your own POD website in 2026? Many beginners ask, why not just sell on Etsy or marketplaces? Here's the reason. Your own website gives you full control over branding, no marketplace competition on the same page, better long-term scalability, ability to run ads freely. Marketplaces are great for traffic. Websites are great for building an actual business. Now, choosing the right platform for POD websites is important. Okay, for beginners in 2026, the best option is Shopify. Okay, why Shopify? Beginner friendly, built for e-commerce, easy print-on-demand integrations, reliable checkout and payment. You don't need to code, you don't need technical skills. Shopify handles the heavy lifting. Okay, now set up your Shopify account if you haven't already. Go to shopify.com and create an account. Right? During setup, enter your store name, which you can change it later. Skip unnecessary steps. Choose I'm just starting if asked. Once inside, you will see your store dashboard like this. Okay? This is your control center. Yeah? Now, choose a print-on-demand supplier. Now you need a supplier. Popular POD suppliers include Printify, Printful, Gelato. Right? For beginners, Printify is often easiest. Large product selection, multiple print providers, competitive pricing, and install Printify directly from the Shopify App Store. So go ahead and search for Printify. All right, and you're gonna see right here, Printify. Press it, and your page will show up. In this page, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just install Printify integrated with Shopify. Okay. Now, once installed, right, you're gonna hit install. You're gonna log into a Printify, obviously, right, and connect it to your Shopify store. If you don't know how, just click your store name at the top and hit add a new store. Inside, you're gonna just integrate it with Shopify, right? Continue following the steps, okay? And choose a Printify store to connect, okay? Or if you have a store, you can use an existing store. Right? Continue. And what you're gonna do, just connect it with Printify. It says create your Shopify account and connect it with Printify. Just hit connect, and it's gonna take us to the same page. So I'm gonna go back and install Printify, right? This connection allows automatic product syncing, automatic order fulfillment, automatic tracking updates. From now on, orders flow without manual work. So hit install and just wait for a few moments. All right. As you can see, we just integrated a Printify or synced Printify with Shopify. Okay. Now, creating your first print-on-demand product. Inside Printify, what you're gonna do, let me go to the Printify website. As you can see right here, I'm in, so I can use my own Google account. Right? Before we go to creating our first Printify store, okay? I'm gonna integrate my own account. So I'm gonna wait for a few moments. Sorry for that. Right, something went wrong. You can use your own Google account, right? Or I'm gonna just leave it out there, okay? But for you, you log in using your own account credentials and everything, and you will integrate Printify with Shopify more easily. So I'm gonna go ahead to my Printify, and now we're gonna create, of course, our first. Let me go back. Our first product, or print-on-demand product. Choose a product category, hit the catalog on the left-hand menu, right? Select your category, okay? And select the product. Let's say this product, okay? And choose a print provider, okay? So you can see right here, a fulfillment option, trusted network of quality providers. You can choose manually, right? By Drive Fulfillment, Monster Digital, Jams Designs, whatever. Okay, so let Printify choose this. Okay, and just hit Start Designing. Important thing to check: print quality, right? And obviously the production time, shipping costs. Okay, which you can find in the provider, basically. All right, you can see right here the shipping, the prices, the colors, print areas, and the duration, right, which is 2.3 days. Okay, now what you're gonna do, just hit Start Designing. I already have a product, so I'm gonna go ahead to my product, right, and hit Start Designing, and it's gonna take you to the same page that I'm in, right? What you're gonna do, you can upload your design from your device, excuse me, and adjust placements and preview the product, right? You can change the place of the logo, let's say, and then you can control exactly how it will look like from the front side, back side. See, I already added a design here, and if you're done, hit Save Product, and you're gonna see, of course, how it will look like. Look, as you can see right here, you can preview and see more than one picture here, right? As you can see, right? And yeah, this is the product customers will see on their platform. Now, what you're gonna do, publish the product to your website, okay? After finishing the product setup, what you're gonna do, you're gonna publish it, right? So go ahead to my product, or excuse me, before you go there, you can see already here a publish button, right? And just hit publish. Don't remind me again. And yeah, there were recent changes to the following products. Please confirm that you wish to sync and publish these changes to your Etsy or Shopify store, and confirm that you want to publish it to Shopify. Okay, your product will now appear in your store automatically. No manual uploading required. This is where automation shines. Now, designing your website. Now let's make the website look clean and trustworthy. In Shopify, choose a free theme. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Shopify homepage, right? And you're gonna see, of course, your store name. You can add your store name and add a design, right? You can see right here, browse pre-designed themes. Okay, and choose your favorite theme. Okay, in Shopify, choose a free theme. Keep the design simple. Use neutral colors. This is the website customers will see. Focus on clear product images, easy navigation, mobile responsiveness. Simple stores convert better than flashy ones. Okay, now essential pages every POD website needs. Your website must include homepage, product pages, about page, contact page, shipping, and returns page. So as you can see right here, there's a theme. You could choose many free themes, right? Let's say I want to add this one and publish this theme. Let's say I want this one, Yeah, I want to use this one. This will replace Dawn as your current theme. Hit publish, and this is how it would look like. Right? Let me current theme. Yeah. Let me. Yeah. This is that new theme. Okay, and this is the product and everything. Right? You can preview it here if you want to see how your store. Right? And add product here. Okay, and yeah, about page, home page, contact page, shipping and returns page. These pages build trust and reduce hesitation. Okay, customers don't just buy products, they buy confidence. Now, setting up payment. Inside Shopify, activate Shopify payment. So I'm gonna go ahead to my home page. And you can see right here, set up a payment provider. Hit activate. Right? Add PayPal if available. Okay, so you can use AI for that. Add AI or add PayPal or credit card, debit card if available. Right? So you can tell exactly the AI that you can set up a payment method. Right? Yeah. So build or add PayPal as a payment method. Right? Never complicate payment. Customers should be able to pay easily, trust the checkout, feel secure. All right. Now, setting up shipping correctly. Even though Printify ships products, you still control shipping settings. Right. Decide whether to charge shipping separately or offer free shipping. Always calculate shipping costs properly so you don't lose money. Okay. So. Inside here, you're gonna see that. Let me go ahead to the status page, right? And as you can see right here, there's a problem in my page. You can always activate a payment provider from here. Okay, for some reason I have a problem here. Cannot open it. So in your case, it shouldn't be a problem because you're gonna be able to, because you started new. I had this account for a while now. So yeah, pricing your product correctly. Your price must cover on Printify the base cost, the shipping costs, and the payment fees and profit margin. Okay, never price emotionally. A sustainable store beats cheap prices every time. Now, testing your website before launch. Before launching, click every page, test every product pages, test checkout, check mobile view. Pretend you're a customer. If something feels confusing, fix it. Right? And you're gonna see, right, your whole and yeah, before you publish your website, add your product here, which, if you already integrated Printify within and already logged in using your account, you're gonna be able to sync automatically. All right, so that this step shouldn't be a problem. Okay, once everything ready, remove password protection in the design. Let me show it to you. Okay. Close this window. You gotta see your websites your website themes are protected by a password. You could just go ahead and remove password from here. Okay, and make the store public. Congratulations, your print on demand website is now live. This is a big milestone. Okay, now your website doesn't get traffic automatically. Common beginner traffic sources: social media content, short form videos, paid ads, influencer mentions. Traffic plus good product equals sales. Right? Avoid launching with too many products, ignoring mobile optimization, over designing the site, choosing slow suppliers, expecting instant success. Consistency matters more than perfection. Once your store is live, add new designs regularly, remove product pages, test different offers, build an email list. A POD website grows step by step. Now, building a print-on-demand website in 2026 is one of the most beginner-friendly online business models available. No inventory, no shipping, no upfront product costs. Your success depends on clear design, reliable suppliers, smart pricing, consistency. Start small, improve daily. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full traffic or ads tutorial for POD websites next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.